So let's look at another use of our instantaneous rate of change. This function here would be an object dropped from a height of 400 feet and left in free fall. So it's accelerating due to gravity, right? So velocity in this context, we compute it by computing the instantaneous rate of change of position. Well, one thing I want to point out here is that instantaneous rate of change takes on many different names in different contexts. So in this kinematics context here, where we're dealing with the position of an object, it becomes velocity. If we just have any generic function, it's the slope of the graph. If we have a cost function, for example, then it's the marginal cost. Right? There's many different interpretations of it. Right? But the main theme across it is, how is our function changing at this specific instant in time? Okay. So let's compute this instantaneous rate of change, or this velocity. Okay. So velocity at t equals 3. Okay. So what we're going to do is we'll use the first definition this time. So limit as t approaches 3, f of t minus f of 3 over t minus 3. Okay. So, and you could do f of 3 minus f of t over 3 minus t. Either order is completely fine, as long as they're the same on the top and bottom. So let's go ahead and plug this all in. The limit t goes to 3, 400 minus 16t squared, and then minus f of 3, which is 256. T minus 3. Alright, so let's simplify this up a bit. Ooh, I really need to make that stop happening. Alright. Limit t goes to 3. Simplify this a bit. This is 144 minus 16 t squared over t minus 3. Okay. So 144, so let's factor out the 16 on top. Right. So it's going to be 9 minus t squared over t minus 3. Right, so keep factoring. Limit t goes to 3. So we get 3 minus t, 3 plus t. Alright, over t minus 3. So simplify this. So this and this will cancel. We'll put a 1 or minus 1 there and a 1 here. Again, I'll let you verify that this leaves us with limit as t goes to 3 of negative 16, 3 plus t. Okay. So if we plug in 3, what we get is negative 16 times 6, so that's negative 96. So the velocity is negative 96. This will be in feet per second. Okay. And there we go. So again, it's just another use of the same thing. And in the next video, we'll sort of summarize what this object is, and we'll give it a name. This instantaneous rate of change.